Accomplishment statements are a way of phrasing your job descriptions and past experience to show how you contributed to the workplace. They are used on resumes and cover letters to help you stand out to employers by highlighting your achievements and contributions. This video will show you how to write accomplishment statements that you can include in your resume or cover letter. Start by brainstorming the tasks and activities you performed exceptionally well in your past or current experience. For example, have you ever received praise from managers, supervisors, instructors, or clients? And if so, what did you do that earned the praise? Have you ever been asked to train anyone? How did you distinguish yourself or set yourself apart in your last job? Have you ever been promoted, recognized, awarded, or thanked by your coworkers? How did your work affect the strategic business operations? When thinking about each experience, ask yourself the following questions. How was my performance measured in this position? And what value did I bring to this workplace or organization? Next, use the experiences to write strong accomplishment statements. Use the STAR technique: situation, task, action, and result. Start by describing the situation or task. For example, orient new employees to the job. Then think of the action you took in this task. For example, prepared the department's first operations manual, researched and analyzed best practices, surveyed staff on what they think should be included. Now, think of the result that you achieved through your actions. For example, orientation went faster, the department used fewer staff resources, new staff members remembered more, and both the employees and the manager had a record of what was covered for future reference, and there was good feedback from new employees, coworkers, and the manager. Now we can turn this into an accomplishment statement. For this experience, I'll say, created the department's first operations manual, that's the action, which increased the effectiveness of the new employee training and significantly reduced the expenditure of time and resources. That's the result. To make the most impact, accomplishment statements should incorporate metrics such as numbers, figures, statistics, and percentages when possible. For example, reduced training time by 3 hours, or increased sales by 15%. Describe your actions using strong action verbs, such as completed, raised, achieved, delivered, etc. Be relevant to the employer and the position, and make a connection with the job requirements. Include accomplishment statements in your resume and cover letters when you are describing your work experience. It adds credibility to your skills section and makes a stronger impression on employers. You now know how to write accomplishment statements. Thanks for watching.